The DSX1000 all-in-one digital microscope is the tool of choice for inspection and failure analysis. With speed, flexibility, guaranteed accuracy and repeatability, and high-performance imaging software, you can be confident in your results. The DSX1000 system has features that enhance the speed and efficiency of your workflow. Instead of having to use one optical microscope to conduct an initial low magnification inspection and a second for high magnification detailed analysis, the DSX1000 enables you to do both on the same system. And unlike some digital microscopes that require time-intensive lens changes to switch magnification, the DSX1000 system's quick-change lenses enable you to complete your inspection fast. 3 key values for workflow innovation. During analysis, the system's suite of advanced features enable it to excel in many applications. A magnification range from 20 times to 7,000 times enables you to view a wide area before zooming down to the micron level for detailed analysis. A range of lenses is available, including for high resolution and long working distance, while the rotating observation head and stage let you view your sample from almost any angle. Multiple observation methods are also supported. The best image function enables you to view your sample under 6 observation methods on one screen, so you can quickly choose the one that works best. And all magnifications are available in every observation method. High-resolution 3D images are also possible, with speeds up to 10 times faster than the previous DSX model. Unlike some digital microscopes, the DSX1000 system's measurement accuracy and repeatability are guaranteed, so you can be confident in your results. The telecentric optical system corrects for the convergence effect that can make the size of an object look different depending on the focal point, greatly increasing measurement precision. These features are just a fraction of what the DSX1000 digital microscope can do. The DSX1000 incorporates a variety of functions to support analysis tasks. In pursuit of ease of use, speed, and accuracy, the DSX1000 all-in-one digital microscope contributes to the reduction of analysis time and workspace. To learn more, please visit us at www.olympus-ims.com or contact your local sales representative.